everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I am very excited because I'm going to be unboxing a huge box and gift from my lovely friend Dwayne. His YouTube channel is Your GBF and I will link it down below, so definitely go and check his channel out. He does some really great videos, he's a really great guy, and yeah, definitely would recommend going over to his channel after you've watched this. So yes, I think I waited about a month for this to arrive after Dwayne messaged me to say that he'd sent me something out. I've got absolutely no idea what's in here apart from one thing that I won in his advent calendar giveaway, so quite a while ago, and I think it was maybe some like makeup sponges. I'm not 100% sure, I can't remember, but yeah, I didn't think he was going to be sending me a whole massive box of stuff. I'm really excited to get this opened and see what's in here. So thank you again, Dwayne, and I'm gonna get this open. Okay, so we've got some packaging. This is really cool. So this is on the top of the box, so please deliver to Beauty by Brodie from Your GBF. That's really cute, I really like that. And oh, I've got a little card in here as well. So a little card here. Okay, so we have got loads of things, all very lovely and wrapped up. Definitely gone to a lot of effort in this. So let's go for this one here first. It's got, you can see some pink through the tissue paper. Oh my god, this is so cool. So there's a little Peeps bunny, and this is a dough pack with a Peeps cutter, marshmallow scented, non-edible. Okay, good to know. So I'm gonna open this up. I've never had a Peep. You definitely can't get them in the UK, and I don't think you can get them here either. Oh, it's so cute. So you get a little bit of dough. I can't smell the marshmallow through the plastic, and then just a little cutter as well. That's so cute. I mean, I do love like a little crafty moment, and I think the actual bunny itself is so cute. I think once I've like used the dough and everything, this will be really great just to store just like little trinkets in, or just have on my windowsill with my other little bits and bobs that I have out. But yeah, that is so cute. Okay, next I'm going for this one here. Ah yeah, so this is the one thing that I knew he was sending, and it's this Eco Tools, I think it's a beauty blender. Yeah, so this is the Eco Tools Total Perfecting Blender, the only plant-based blender. How interesting. So it's obviously in this little like, it's like a Christmas decoration. So let's get this opened up. To be honest, I actually really desperately need a new beauty blender. Mine is just grim. I mean, I've washed it, but it's just got stained with foundation, and I don't know, it's one of the velvet ones, which I'm not a huge fan of. Oh, okay. I really like the shape of this. It's really good. This feels nice and firm, and yeah, these are definitely like the types of sponges I prefer, like the actual more spongy ones rather than like the velvety one that I have now. So that's going to come in great handy, and I know this is like a little Christmas tin, but again, I'll probably pop it out somewhere or hang it up, or pop some little, maybe like some earrings or something in there. So yeah, good little storage box as well. So yeah, that's really great. I actually can't believe how many things are in here. Like, I'm literally so overwhelmed. Like, it's such a like nice thing to do. I mean, it's nice enough just to send like the one thing, but to do this whole box, I think it's just so lovely. I've gone for this one next, and I'm gonna unwrap that. It feels like Christmas on my birthday. This is great. Oh, okay, we have got a Jeffree Star the Gloss. So this is in the shade Mouthful. I absolutely love, I mean, I love Jeffree Star products anyway. I really do love the glosses. They are so pretty, just so like pearlescent, and just always such gorgeous shades, gorgeous quality. So let me see if I can actually get this one out. They are quite tricky to get out. I don't know if it's just me. That is of course what the packaging looks like. Just like the attention to detail and everything. Jeffree Star is so gorgeous, and it just looks like this has got some really lovely like pearlescent sparkle in it. So massive thank you, Dwayne. I will thoroughly enjoy using this. On to this next. I can't believe, yeah, again, I just can't believe there's so many things in here. It's so generous. So this feels like quite heavy, maybe like a drink or something. Oh my god, it's the Nitro Pepsi. This is a big old can, 404 ml. So Dwayne actually did a whole video trying out the Nitro Pepsi, and I was trying to see if I could get it anywhere here because I really love Pepsi. I like Nitro coffee as well. I know this obviously isn't coffee, but I like the texture and like feel of a Nitro coffee. So I actually can't believe that he sent this. This is so cool. So it's draft cola. It's nitrogen infused, so it's got smaller bubbles and a smoother taste. So I've just got some little instructions here how to kind of use it, I guess, to get the best out of it. So chill the can, pour hard, and admire and enjoy. So I'm gonna really enjoy trying this out. Thank you so much, Dwayne. And like I said, if you want to see like a whole review or like tasting of this, definitely go and head over to Dwayne's channel to check that out, because yeah, it made me want to try and find them here, but sadly, as far as I can see, not available in Australia. So yeah, super excited to try that. Okay, next I'm going for this very long one. Absolutely no idea what is in here. This is great. I don't know how to do the like fan flicks. I'm just gonna open it normally. I know Dwayne is a big fan of fans. I love this one. How lovely. Lovely big pride rainbow. Absolutely love that. I'm definitely gonna have to practice my like whipping of getting it open. Maybe that was a little bit better, I don't know, but this is so cool. And to be honest, it gets so hot here. Like the summer is gonna be brutal for my English climate that I'm used to, so this is definitely going to come in handy, and I'm going to be for sure taking this everywhere I go, fanning myself and just feeling super fabulous at the same time. Okay, so I think there was 2 things left in the box. One thing looks massive, but it takes up the whole size of the box. I've got literally no idea what on earth that could be. So I've gone for this one here. This is the second to last item in here. Fancy. So this is the Magic Star. Oh, it's the Luminous Setting Powder. I love my Luminous Setting Powder. This is from Cherryz Cosmetics again, and this is the Rose Setting Powder. So I have the natural one, the luminous one from Cherryz, but I haven't tried out any of the other like shades or anything like that. So what absolutely gorgeous packaging. I'm literally like a magpie. It's so shiny and so pretty. I've just got the kind of name on the bottom there. I think these are, I'm assuming these are all like kind of candy floss scented, because I know that my other one is. So I've peeled off the little kind of protective sticker and just got it open. I'm trying to be really careful because I don't really want any to fall out. Oh, it has got that same really gorgeous candy floss fragrance. This is probably more closer to my skin tone really than the one I have already. I will definitely be trying this out when I put my makeup on tomorrow. Definitely going to be using my new gloss as well, and just my new sponge, and just, you know, feeling my best self. Okay, and then there's just one last thing in here. There's also all of this. I love this stuff. So what is this? This has taken up like the whole box. I'm going to put the box to one side because I haven't got a lot of room in it. You could see the mess that I've made. It's ridiculous. I'm just like surrounded by paper and bits and bobs. What? Surely not. Oh my god, surely not. Surely you can't have sent me bloodlust, Dwayne. This is like, this is so fancy. I mean, I have a lot of Cherryz palettes, but I don't, well, there's, to be fair, there's still a few I haven't got, but let me get this open. Oh my god, oh my god, it looks gorgeous. I'm actually speechless. I can't believe that you sent this to me, Dwayne. This is so kind, so lovely. The packaging is iconic. I mean, this is just the carton that it's come in. I also didn't realise how massive Bloodlust is. So there is the actual palette itself. Oh, that crushed velvet is just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I'm just lost for words. This is probably like the kindest thing anyone's ever done, or like the loveliest thing I've ever received. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Look at that. This is, I actually can't believe how massive this palette is. It's like as big as my head. That is so beautiful, and yeah, I'm literally lost for words. I can't believe that somebody would send me this. Like, Dwayne has been such a good friend, and I really like enjoyed chatting and like watching each other's videos and stuff, but I didn't think for 1 minute when he said he was sending me a parcel that, well, A, he would be sending me all of these things, which I absolutely love, but that he would send me literally this palette from Jeffree Star. I can't wait to do my makeup tomorrow now. I literally can't wait. I'm gonna have my new palette, my new powder, my new lip gloss. I'm gonna feel all glam. Yeah, honestly, wow. What an amazing surprise, and what a lovely thing to do. Like, so kind. I just can't believe that Dwayne has sent me all of these items. It is so kind, and yeah, I'm just a bit overwhelmed, to be honest. So I would have already said thank you, obviously, to Dwayne, you know, on message before this comes out, but yeah, I just can't believe it. This is just so beautiful. Wow. So that was everything that my very lovely friend Dwayne sent me. What just a great selection of just amazing surprises and just really thoughtful items. And yeah, I'm just definitely a bit overwhelmed, and I can't believe that he has sent me all of these things. It was definitely well worth the wait for it to all get here. I'm so surprised, so grateful, so thankful, and yeah, I just can't believe just what a lovely thing for someone to do. Definitely would recommend going and checking out Dwayne's channel. His YouTube is Your GBF, and as I said at the start, I will link his channel down below. He does a lot of really great videos, and he's such a great guy, and I definitely, yeah, just go and check him out and show him some love. Tell him, you know, leave him a comment that, you know, you've come over from my channel. I'm sure he will really appreciate it. And again, thank you so much, Dwayne. I know I would have messaged you by now to say thank you, but yeah, just thank you again. It's so kind of you, and yeah, you've just been such a great friend, and thank you so much for sending me all of these really gorgeous items. I think I might do like a whole video testing out the Bloodlust palette, because I'm just looking at it and thinking there's just so many amazing looks I could do with it, and just so many really beautiful shades in there. I definitely want to, well, I know I love doing videos anyway, so I'd love to do a video for that. So let me know if that's something you're interested in. I'm probably going to do it anyway, but if you are interested, then let me know. But I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I know for sure that I really enjoyed filming this video, because everything has been such an amazing surprise, and I'm just so grateful and so thankful to Dwayne for sending me all of these items. So if you did enjoy the video, do give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.